Sophia, did you check the transcript when you got it?
I haven't checked it yet.
It wasn't fields, it was appeals. Do you remember I said
Yeah,
fields?
the
And you're like,
number
I don't think
two.
that's what I said. And it was appeals.
Yes, that
But it
makes
was hard. It was hard to decipher though, because you were talking fast and
it's my fault for sure.
no.
I did no, I didn't check the transcript, but I listened back and I talked too fast.
I was waiting for you to like send me an email saying, this is what it should be.
Thanks for checking.
Yeah.
Anyone recognize a person with the name C. Martins? Don't see them.
That's a representative of Porchlight Solar Project.
Okay, fine. Yeah, it's him on my list, so I just want to be sure. Thanks.
I believe she's on the service list as well.
Um, Oh yeah, you're right. Christina. Okay, got it.
No.
Anyone need a moment of silence? This is a perfect opportunity. Um,
Now I have a dog trying to get out with all my cords in the way.
just a few seconds to go, and we'll get started, and then we'll we'll let people join in after we're done with introductions, but it looks like we have everyone we need for the preliminary activities here.
Hey, Michael, I just wanted to make sure that I'm in the right spot. I am not with the PSC.
Hmm. Yeah.
So I might not be supposed to be in this right now.
No, I got you. I just it's one letter off. Thanks for noticing that.
I was
Yeah.
gonna say between PSC and PSP, you've got a tough challenge today.
Yeah.
Trying to keep things straight, but someone's got to watch my back here, so I appreciate it. All right, well, it looks like we're got a little silence on the people coming into the waiting room, so let's get started and then we'll let people join in once we're done with our beginning session here. Oh, yeah, they keep coming, but hang on. So let's get on the record. This is docket 9829 CE100, the application of Porchlight Solar for authority to build the solar electric generation facility and battery storage system plus the Gen tie line. Not sure if this has I guess we're just calling it Portage Solar as a short name, so we'll just continue with that. My name is Michael Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We're here on Zoom with the parties, which is just the applicant and the commission staff. So this is the party session where we will be taking evidence from the applicant and commission staff. And then on Thursday, we'll be in Plover at the Food and Farm Exploration Center to take public comments live at that location. And we've been open to receiving public comments for the record in writing since July 1st, and we'll continue to do so up until the deadline of August 18th. Those can be filed on our website or mailed to us. They just need to be received by the deadline. And I'm not sure how many comments we have at this point. I've not checked the latest tally, but I'm not expecting that there's too many in this case at this point. Okay, so it's going to be a simpler case than usual, at least that we've recently experienced, but kind of reminds me of Two Rivers. Way back, I think it was one of the first solar projects. We had just the party, just the applicant and commission staff. So let's move on to appearances, and we'll just take those on the record. So let's hear from Porchlight, who's representing the applicant today.
Good morning, Your Honor. Max Lenz of Godfrey and Kahn on behalf of Porchlight Solar Project. My colleague Mark Bender is also on the Zoom with us today.
Okay, and commission staff.
Good morning, Kara Kuntz, Assistant General Counsel at the Public Service Commission, and with me is my colleague Sophia Rogers.
Right. And just wanted to check in with the participants here. The service list looks okay. Any corrections we need to make? Thing there? Okay. All right, so we'll move on. So I'm going to let in some more people. So Mike Ivy and Sean Flannery. Not sure who they're affiliated with. I'll just go off the record for a second.
Mike Ivy is definitely with Porchlight Solar Project.
Okay. Sean, anyone
And Sean,
recognize?
So was Sean.
Sean is too.
There you
Okay,
go.
great, thanks. That makes things easy. Do PSC again. It's really easy for me to type in PSC. That's the problem, I think. All right, so it looks like we got everyone connected. So we'll move on to the offered evidence list. We can start with this off the record. Just some questions to deal with here. Provided this list, I think it was last week, or it might have been. So it does have some comments here, but I guess first of all, just let me know if we need to add anything to the list. Did I miss a filing or mislabel something? Start with the applicant. If you can just let me know if the list itself is accurate.
Yes, Your Honor, we didn't see anything that was missing.
Okay. And how about commission staff?
Yes, it looks accurate.
All right. Sounds good. All right. And then for the comments, nothing very, too complicated. I think there is just an issue with the labeling of the application, citation to the application exhibit. That's the major one. And then, another kind of maybe misunderstanding was the Ketchin 1 exhibit. If that's really changing the application, that should be filed as an application document and then put into the application exhibit so that we can keep track of what the application actually is. At least in this case, that's probably the best way to handle that at this point, to just call it, what did I say, revised project overview map. Any questions about that?
No questions, Your Honor. I think your comments were pretty straightforward, so we'll make those changes and file, I imagine, within the 3 days from the hearing.
Perfect. Yes, that's correct. And I don't think nothing forced. Oh, there was a couple of changes for staff, but nothing out of the ordinary. So any questions from staff about those?
I don't believe so.
Okay. All right. So let's see. Are we missing anyone in the waiting room now? Looks like we got everybody. Okay, great. So I think we can just get on with it here. Shouldn't take too long. So let's get on the record. We can hear from applicant witnesses. Do we want to verify any of those filings by affidavit or just call them all to verify?
Your Honor, all the witnesses are here, so I think it'd be easiest just to call them all and we can verify and then just make them available for cross.
Sounds good. How about with commission staff? We're calling them all?
We're just gonna have everyone go.
Okay, that's good. I can excuse them before we get through the entire list and then at the end say, oh, you didn't have to stay here. Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead. Porchlight, call your first witness.
Porchlight Solar Project calls Garrett Ketchin.
Okay. Can you turn your camera on?
Yep. Sorry. Forgot I had this little thing on my camera. Hello,
right.
everybody.
Hi there. Okay, I'm going to swear you in. So raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So go ahead. Pass it over to Attorney Lenz.
Good morning, Mr. Ketchin. Would you please introduce yourself for the record?
Yes, my name is Garrett Ketchin. I'm a project developer at Savion.
And what is your
role? Sorry, go ahead.
What's your role on the Porchlight Solar Project?
I am the project developer. I oversee pretty much all development aspects of the project, and I have a team with me and essentially just direct things forward.
Did you prepare direct and rebuttal testimony for filing in this matter?
Yes.
If you were asked the same questions today as in your pre-filed testimony, would your answers be the same?
Yes.
Along with your testimony, did you cause 2 exhibits to be filed?
Yes.
Are the exhibits filed with your testimony complete and accurate?
Yes.
Mr. Ketchin, have you had a chance to review the surrebuttal testimony filed by WDNR witness Stacy Rowe on Monday, August 11th, 2025?
Sorry, I'm going to
Yes.
interrupt for a second. I only have one exhibit on the list here, so I'm not sure.
So
That. Or are you just
I didn't
doing
know.
it now?
I didn't know. So just, Your Honor, I didn't know. Obviously, we will be taking away Exhibit 1 from Ketchin, but I didn't know if you wanted him to, because he also offered the application. So I didn't know if you wanted him to sort of verify that exhibit, or if not, I can restate and ask him, did he file the application exhibit? That's fine as well.
Yeah, so that's what you meant by 2 exhibits. One was the
application and
I'm sorry, you can't talk at the same time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. So I'll just explain. Yeah, if you want to have them verify the application, just have them do that by name. And then I think you probably should have them verify the contents of Ketchen 1, and then with the understanding that it'll be part of the application once it gets filed. So let's just back up and make sure we verify all that correctly this time.
All right, Mr. Ketchen, along with your direct testimony, did you cause the application exhibit to be filed originally as X PSP application?
Yes.
And is that exhibit complete and accurate?
Yes.
Along with your direct testimony, did you cause an exhibit filed as exhibit PSP Ketchen 1 to be filed?
Yes.
And is that exhibit an updated conceptual layout of the project area?
Yes.
And is it complete and accurate?
Yes.
All right. With that, we'll move on. Just briefly, Mr. Ketchen, have you had a chance to review the surrebuttal testimony filed by WDNR witness Stacy Rowe on Monday, August 11th, 2025?
Yes.
Does Porchlight Solar Project have any objection to the order point recommended by Ms. Rowe regarding project fencing?
No objections.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Okay, great. And let me say before we move forward that all the documents listed on the offered evidence list, pending verification and the refiling for corrections are received into the record. So you don't need to move anything in specifically unless we have something new to deal with. So let's have any cross-examination for the witness. Anything, questions from staff?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, great. Witness Ketchen, you're excused.
Thank you.
Your Honor, next Porchlight Solar Project would call Chris Picar.
Okay, so you're there. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Good morning. Would you please introduce yourself for the record?
Hi, my name is Chris Picar, and I work for Stantec Consulting.
And what is your role on the Porchlight Solar Project?
I've been the senior project manager working on the project, and Stantec has performed field investigation, site design, and supporting studies. Also helped prepare the CPCN application.
Did you prepare direct and rebuttal testimony for filing in this matter?
Yes.
If you were asked the same questions today as in your pre-filed testimony, would your answers be the same?
Yes.
Along with your testimony, did you cause an exhibit to be filed?
Yes.
Is the exhibit filed with your testimony complete and accurate?
Yes.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Any questions?
No questions.
All right, you're excused. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, if I could just ask, can Mr. Picar be excused from the Zoom at this point?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I believe so. I don't think. Oh, yeah. Let me just. We'll just let him go. That's fine.
Thank you.
All right. Enjoy your day. So who's next?
And finally, Your Honor, Porchlight Solar Project will call Chris Andrews.
Okay, I see you there. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Andrews, would you please introduce yourself for the record?
I'm Chris Andrews. I work at Stantec.
What's your role on the Porchlight Solar Project?
I'm the senior electrical designer and I did the layouts.
Hang on.
I'm sorry, I
A little
didn't hear
hard.
the.
Yeah, it's a little hard to hear you. Maybe move your microphone a little bit closer.
Sorry about that. Is that better?
I think so. We can try again. So So he was just asking you your.
I can restate, Your Honor.
Okay. Yeah, why don't you go ahead? Thanks.
Mr. Andrews, what is your role on the Porchlight Solar project?
I'm a senior electrical designer. I did the electrical design and layout.
Did you prepare direct testimony for filing in this matter?
Yes, I did.
If you were asked the same questions today as in your pre-filed testimony, would your answers be the same?
Yes, I would.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Any questions?
No questions.
Okay, you're excused. Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, that's all the applicant witnesses. So let's move on to commission staff.
PSC would like to call Stacy Rowe from the DNR.
Good morning. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Oh, can't hear you there. So you're unmuted on my end. Nope, still not hearing you. I can go off the record. Do we want to?
Hang on. Can you hear me now?
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
Okay, there we go.
Loud
Do you
and
want me to
clear.
do this? Are we good?
Yeah, well, I just asked you the question. You just give us your answer on the record.
I do.
Okay, great. Okay, go ahead, Attorney Kuntz.
Good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Stacy Rowe.
What is your position at the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources?
I am the Endangered Resources Utility Liaison.
And did you file or cause to be filed written direct and sur rebuttal in this docket?
Yes, I did.
Are the statements and representations in the testimony you filed in this case true and correct?
Yes, they are.
Do you have any additions or modifications to your testimony at this time?
No, I do not.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
All right, any questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. You're excused.
PSC would like to call Jury Rademacher.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Please state your name for the record.
Jury Rademacher.
And what is your position at the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources?
I am a water management specialist advanced.
Did you file or cause to be filed written direct testimony in this docket?
Yes.
Are the statements and representations in the testimony you filed in this case true and correct?
Yes, they are.
Do you have any additions or modifications to your testimony at this time?
No.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
Okay, you're excused. Thanks.
Thank you.
PSC would like to call Samantha Whitens.
See you there. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, go ahead.
Please state your name for the record.
Samantha Whitens.
What is your position at the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources?
I am a stormwater engineer in our Office of Energy.
And did you file or cause to be filed written direct and exhibits marked EX DNR Whitens 1 and 2 in this docket?
Yes, I did.
Are the statements and representations in the testimony and exhibits you filed in this case true and correct?
Yes, they are.
Do you have any additions or modifications to your testimony at this time?
No, I do not.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Questions for the witness?
No, Your Honor.
Thanks, you're excused.
Thank you.
PSC would like to call Tyler Tomaszewski.
Good morning. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, go ahead.
Please state your name for the record.
Tyler Tomaszewski.
And what is your position at the Public Service Commission of Wisconsin?
Program and Policy Supervisor for the Office of Environmental Analysis.
Did you file or cause to be filed written direct testimony together with an exhibit marked EXPSC-EA in this docket?
Yes, I did.
Are the statements and representations in the testimony and exhibit you filed in this case true and correct?
Yes.
Do you have any additions or modifications to your testimony at this time?
No.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Any questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for your excuse.
PSC would like to call Chang Wu.
Good morning. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Okay.
Please state your name for the record.
Chang Wu.
And what is your position at the Public Service Commission of Wisconsin?
I am an engineer supervisor in the Division of Energy Regulation and Analysis.
Did you file or cause to be filed written direct testimony?
Yes.
And will you sponsor exhibits marked EXPSC DRR and EXPSC completeness determination?
Yes.
Are the statements and representations in the testimony and exhibits filed in this case true and correct?
Yes.
Do you have any additions or modifications to your testimony at this time?
I do not.
Your Honor, the witness is available for cross-examination.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks. You're excused.
Thank you.
No more witnesses, correct?
Correct.
That's
So I
correct.
believe, great. Okay, so I believe that's all the testimony we have to receive. We'll be in Plover on Thursday for public comments, plus the remaining time left for written comments. Was it Monday? It's the deadline to file those. So make sure if anyone's listening here from the public, that's the deadline to get your written comments in. Yeah, we probably should just review just a bit about the application exhibit. I understand a little bit of the confusion now that I'm looking at what I had here at the bottom of the offered evidence list, because this case is, well, I guess it's not unique, but I think maybe the way it was set up is a little different than a lot of our solar CPCN cases, and the fact that there's a generation document and a transmission document as part of the application in chief, the narrative filings. And so there's no specific instructions about that. So if you do see that happening again in your cases, I'm assuming we'll go with what I have here. But it seems to be, it seems to be a workable solution, but it's just something that has come up probably for the first time looking at this citation setup here. So I just wanted to bring that up, make sure everyone realizes this. So, yeah, with that though, is there anything else we need to address?
Nothing from the applicant, Your Honor.
All right.
Nothing from PSC.
Great, great. Okay, so we have the post-hearing schedule already set, so I'll just be expecting everyone to follow that. And otherwise, that's all we need to do today. So thanks very much. We're adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.